Now we've got the bridge and the better infrastructure. We're in the best place in Guangdong to be living and working because now we have access to Shenzhen and Guangzhou and wherever. I think in 5 years' time, Zhongshan will increase and increase and increase. We're very up in the supply chain. Yeah, it means we can supply our downstream much easier with the Shenzhen bridge opening because a lot of our potential customers are in Shenzhen. So ours goes into robot arms, small appliances, heavy machinery. A lot of it is based in Shenzhen. So it's very good for us. We can keep the cost down on delivery. This is a potentiometer or a variable resistor. It basically from 0 to 1, and it's a contact resistance. So what we've done is we've developed the technology to be 20 million life cycles, which makes it a military grade product. It can be used for years and years and years. And we also have the capability of making it 4 millimeters, a really small component, still a variable resistor. So it can go into robot hands and many different appliances. We're one of the only manufacturers in Guangdong that can do so small with such high technology. A lot of our customers are manufacturers. So our biggest market is obviously China, but we've developed the brand to be international. So we're targeting other manufacturers throughout the world. Our biggest customers are in Guangdong because this is a big manufacturing hub. The supply chain here is basically in Guangdong. We can get the raw materials from Shenzhen or Guangzhou or in Zhongshan itself. Now with the Shenzhen bridge opening, for international travel, it makes it very convenient for me to travel to Shenzhen and then internationally. In light of the Shenzhen bridge opening, we want to expand just from being a component manufacturer to a prototype manufacturer. We specialize in components, we specialize in contact resistance. If we can make something so small and high end, it's easy for us to, with our capabilities, to manufacture anything. I'm very interested in the innovation in China because I've been here for 20 years. I've seen it go from just being manufacturers to now increasing more and more innovation. Now it's more easier for the supply chain network within China, in Guangdong, to be more innovative because they have everything at their fingertips right here in Guangdong.